I'm Tina with the Boone County Conservation District. I'm going to show you how to make a model of an exploding seed pod. Now this activity should be done outside or in a garage. You'll need a large tarp or an old sheet or blanket will do. You'll need small bird seed like parakeet seed, or you could even use rice. You'll need a balloon, a funnel, and a pin or a needle, something sharp. So you put the funnel on, or the balloon onto the funnel, like so, and make sure you hold the balloon on. You pour the seed through the funnel into the balloon and remove the funnel. Then you need to blow up the balloon. Don't go too big, it might pop. Have an adult help you tie the balloon. Like that. Then stand at the edge of your tarp and hold this is now your seed pod, has seeds inside. Take the sharp end and pop your balloon. Then you can observe how the balloon, when it exploded, threw the seeds out and they dispersed over a large area. How could you redesign this model and get a different result? You could poke the balloon in a different place. You could add more or less air. You could add more or less seed. Try it and see what happens. Bye!